file and keeping in your flash memory like pen drive. Suppose some sound I have heard. If uh, my net connection is broken, you can tell me my screen is still visible. That is better to ask without going back to the classroom. So one person can respond there. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Visible.
Yes, sir.
Because little bit afraid, some sound is coming, no ping. So at that time, little bit afraid whether my connection has lost or what. Anyway, so on which directory you want to move first, you have already imported the zip file module and OS module, and you are just changing the directory by OS module, os.csdir, going to any of the particular directory drive you are getting. The drive name is C first and followed by this colon and double backslash we are giving, you know that, to make this single backslash meta character as literal. So move to the folder with example zip. So you are going that example zip one variable and zip file dot zip file. Here you take care that zip file is the module, but the built-in method zip file having the Z and F in uppercase. So that you are taking all the files of that particular folder in a file, and that is example.zip. And now you can see that example.zip in built-in method also, on again built-in method is there, name list. So it will be showing that all the files, some folders are there. So this is the spam.txt. There is a folder cats. Under cats file, under cats folder, there is a file cats name.txt, and another some JPG file is also there. So again, example zip.getinfo spam.txt. So that writing that get info, you are learning what here, that if you are getting the question from the university, so write the three important methods of the module zip file. So one zip file, to copy the file in a zip file, the argument is one zip file name. Name list to display what are the files copied in that particular zip file. Get info to get the size of the particular file. File name will be the argument. Now, again, sample info dot compress underscore size. So that is here size. First you have seen here 13,908, and now it will be compressed to just, I think that in 25% of the file size, 13,908, and this spam info dot, because you have taken the spam info as the variable name, you have asked this size, and just compress size, it is reducing the size of the file. And that is the extra character from the book. And you want to print that compressed file is percentage SX smaller, round sample file size divided by OS, how much it is smaller. So you got just seen that I have told the 4 times no, so that it is 3.63 times smaller than particular file. Here a small x is used to say times, 3.63 times smaller than the original file. Okay, and now you are closing the module example.zip. So this was to compressing the file with the zip file module, only to take the 3 methods, zip file, Z and F zip file method. Z and F are in uppercase, name list, file size, compress size. Now extract all also is the built-in function to, for zip file object, extracts all the files and folders from a zip file into the current working directory. So again, going to that, moving to the folder where your example.zip is there, and now you are just giving the built-in method extract all and then closing. So after running this code, contents of example.zip will be extracted to the C drive root directory. Optionally, you can pass a folder name to extract all. Here you can give, when you are extracting now, it is asking extract in the same directory, or you can give a location, not in this directory, in this folder, in this subfolder. You can give a, because Optionally, it is the extracting in the current directory, present directory. But if you want to give a path to extract all the files in other directory, you can give that. If the folder passed to the extract all method does not exist, again it will be created. So that is good thing. If you have passed some folder name and if it is not there, it will be creating. Main thing is that these all are having such interface with the operating system. You replace the call at u where the example zip.extract delicious code would extract the files from example.zip in a newly created delicious folder. The extract method for zip file objects with extract a single file from the zip file, continuing the interactive shell example. It is given here. Fine. Something is given here at u. At u for what? At u. The book. Here directly we can go search what organizing files. Organizing files. Okay, go there. Organizing files. Circle.move came. Now it will come there. Extracting. Make the page down. This we have learned in the last class. Reading zip file. Now extracting zip file. All add. This is not the character. For that I was thinking, what is this U? I am your teacher, not a cheater. Okay. Now, so creating and adding to zip files, to create your own compressed zip file, you must open the zip file object in write mode by passing W as the second argument. This is similar to opening a text file in the write mode by passing W with the write mode permission. Okay, okay. Python will compress the file at that path and add it to the zip file. So zip method's first argument is a string file name to add, and the second argument is compression. Means you have already created a zip file. You want to again add some more files in that file, then you will have to open that particular zip file with write mode. So here you can always just set this value to zip file. Zip deleted, this specifies the deflate compression algorithm, inflating and deflating words, inflating, extracting, so which works well on the all type of data. So new zip with the write, and here you are taking compress type zip file, zip deflated, and then closing. So this will create a new zip file named new zip that has been compressed contents of the span.txt. Keep in mind that just as with writing to files, write mode will erase all the existing of a zip file. So the previous, all the contents, means all the list of files from the zip file will be deleted, and the same zip file you are using to add the another files. If you want to simply add files to an existing zip file, pass A. Yes, again it is good. So that again, let the existing files should be in the zip file. I want to add some more files. then open that particular zip file with A mode, so you can append some list of files there. So, okay, fine. And ideas for here. So the two projects are suggested: renaming files with the American style dates to European style dates, the file names in which way it is given. So your boss emails you thousands of files with American style dates, MMDDYYYY. So first month name is given. Then they need the rename to be European style dates, DDMMYYYY. So this boring task. What boring task? You know that your textbook name is also containing that particular word, Jayant?
Yes, sir.
Jayant, your textbook name is also containing that particular word, boring. You know
Yes,
that or
sir.
not?
Automate boring stuff with files.
Boring stuff, yes. Okay. So the writer is always using that. Okay. So this boring task could take all day to do by the hand, because what the boss has told, sometimes you will be surprised that if you are a computer engineer, how that the by default the properties of the file, all the dates are coming in MMDDYYYY. So how their names and needs them renamed to European style dates in DDMMYYYY format. So this boring task could take all day to do by hand. Let us write a program to do it. So it has been suggested for the mini project, and the solution is also given in the book. And I think the book I have already posted in my faculty portal in the Google Classroom. If you are interested, just store code in your Python directory and execute it. Here the steps I have just given in which way to do. And now some other ideas for similar programs related to zip file. So here some idea is given, their solution again given for that. You can walk a directory tree and add files to compressed zip archives, so that you are just walking the directory tree, which file to be added in your zip file. Zip file you have already opened with the append mode, and then you are adding the list of files, walking the directory tree. For example, you can write programs that do the following. What? Walk a directory tree and archive just files with the certain extensions such as .txt or .py and nothing else. Walk a directory tree and archive every file except the .txt and .py. So they were working the another directory. From here I want to copy .txt files. From here I want to copy .py files. Walking the directory, check that the extension name file with extension. If the file name ending with this .py or .txt, you can copy this file, add this file to your zip file. Condition: find the folder in a directory tree that has the greatest number of files, or the folder that uses the most disk space. So this I will not start today the debugging, because just I have started, but I was already having the previous class, no? It was becoming 2-3 minutes late. So I have not this debugging and raising the exceptions. I will take in the next class. So now here only it is the review question, because you have that 10 minutes to 20 minutes again. So I will not have to repeat, but it is being recorded. For that sake, I will be writing here, because it is your review questions and participation of the students should be there. So here, the class day-to-day class activity. What the day-to-day class activities are? You have given me only 80% marks, where we will be seeing the response, recorded response. So here what I'm writing, divide last three digits of your USN by what? It is operation by what? 4 questions. By 4. The remainder is your question number. The remainder is your question number. Now, write USN in first line. In second line, start with question number. Start with question number and question number dot and attempt to answer in 1 or 2 sentences. I should write here, you are getting the day-to-day marks for attempt, not for right or wrong. But because I have him here, the attempt to answer in 1 or 2 sentences, I will write here, right or wrong. Participation should be there. So if you have seen here, for what I have told this right or right, Guruji has told me in personality development class, no. So how to make the pronunciation difference in RIGST and WRITE, right. So you have told that when R comes after the vowel, no, so its mouth is suppressed by the vowel. Father, mother, brother, flower. R takes the revenge when it comes before the vowel. At that time, it will have the growling sound. For that, right, you say for RIGST, okay? So, you have seen the question now. I am coming back to the classroom. You have seen what is your question number, Gauri? You have seen your question number, Monica? Last 3 digits will be divided by 4 and the remainder is your question number. If it is 0, if it is 1, if it is 2, if it is 3. What is the difference between shutil.copy and shutil.copy tree? What function is used to rename files? What is the difference between delete functions in send to trash and shutil modules? Send, we know that, the hand recycle bin. GIF file objects has a close method, just like file object close method. What GIF file method is equivalent to file objects open method? Sir, file opening modes, R and W and A, in read mode, write mode, and append mode. I have told the answer also of the 2-3 question coming back to the classroom. Means digital classroom. Now it is the time. Enter your USN, up next line, writing your question number 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, and then write the answer wrong or right. Mira Krishna, you will have to write something, only dot, dot, dot will not do.
Sir, I wrote the answer because it's big. I think it came dot, dot, dot.
Answer is dot, dot, dot only.
No, sir, you can check the chat. I wrote.
And you are not giving the flip class, Mira, and you are making a team of Yantra Lab. Your senior, you can ask the Indulekha, Harshini, and others. No, I think they have just passed out. No, I think not your senior. I think one batch more. Check that so that they have also in this Yantra Lab, and they have qualified up to the 2nd round of IIT Bombay. So I am welcoming through you because you have initiated it first, and certainly I will be helping you to train you in the according to my level of the knowledge. Because the programming side is strong, but a little bit I am taking the help of the electronics professor for the port and pin configuration of the robots. So up to that level, you will be doing that, understanding that we are having all the contents provided by the IIT Bombay. So we can make 2-3 teams of the 5th semester and 5-6 teams of the 3rd semester. So certainly if you want to join, nobody is coming. Certainly you want to make a team by your own only, then I get ready to welcome one also in the team. Okay, understood, Meera? Just respond yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood.
sir.
Okay, fine. Aditya M. Ashish, now it is better time to conduct to the attendance. Every day I'm giving the attendance to all now. So they are not coming to the class. So from the student list, I will be asking, I will just checking their name because names are also appearing here. So from the student list, so question doesn't arise for the day-to-day works in the class if you are not present in the class. A student list and marks. So I will check which one. I think the Yasas has already joined first. His name is appearing alphabetically at last, 610. So alphabetically, Avijit PG is there, Abhishek K is there, fine, and Aditya M is there. Fine, no problem. So now, Raghu Babu, Ganesha Shastri, Gangawa Patil, Gauri S. Moghe, Girish SD. Guddu Kumar is there, fine. Harsh Dhiman, Harsh Doot is there. Only Hardik is not there. Hardik is not there. 069. Okay, fine. Hila Sasi, Hrishikesh, Indraja, Ishita Chattopadhyay, Ishita Srivastav, good. Jayant. Vishnu Vardhan Reddy is not there. 080. And this time, certainly, I will not help you much in which way I helped last time. Without appearing in any exam, any internal, let it be officially recorded that how I have managed that marks of internal. The person has not told a thanks word to me also, that giving the minimum marks for that without appearing in any exam. Now K. Abhishek 81, 82, and let the university hang me. So that I can chant there and song, okay, pyar pyar na raha, dost dost na raha. K. Abhishek is there. Sai Nikita, Subbi Reddy, Kausiki, Kamana, Khagendra, Kiran B. Sajjan, Kirti, K. Sai Krishna, good. Kritika, Kumud Kubham Shreya Reddy, good. Most of the students are present. Kumud Shaili, Monisha, Monisha, fine. M. Aditya, I have seen his name, M. Aditya, Aditya M. Manisha Manikandan, Manu Smriti. Manpreet is not there today. Manpreet caught. वही है, वही वाला है. मनु स्मृति, जिसको जितना प्यार करता हूं वही ज्यादा दर्द देता है. मनु स्मृति, मेहुल सकारिया नहीं होगा, मेहुल सकारिया नहीं होगा. वो कसम खाए हुए क्लास में आऊंगा नहीं, सिर्फ क्विज एग्जाम दूंगा. 98. Mehul Varsne, Merin Jacob, Aman Khan, Aman must be there. Yes, Wasim Ajan Sirani नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा, मुझे मालूम है. 100 things, all being recorded. What I am talking, let all be recorded for the future evidence. Jigar Jitesh Bhai, Nimitesh Sharma, Nidhi Dhariwal, Nikhil P. Nikhil P and Nikhil Mishra. Nikhil Mishra is not there. 108 is not there. Nikita Ishwarna, Now, how the internal marks average they have got, not a thanks word for that. Neeraj Sanjay Muttu, Nitin N, Nitin Suraj, Nitish Hegde, Onkar Patra, Niranjan Reddy, Meera Krishna is already there. Padmaja, I will ask you also. I want that Padmaja will be giving one flip class. If you are not giving, then I will not be happy. And if I will not be happy, 1-2 marks will be deducted. 118. If you are giving flip class, I promise officially, you will be getting this way or that way. I will try to give 98% marks, 100% marks. P. Shrikar Reddy is there. Pragya Pandey is there. Prakash Tuikel, Prapti H. Preeti will not talk to me today.
Sir,
You have not told yet.
what, sir?
Any flip class?
Not now, sir. Please.
Not now. You just tell me, sir, certainly I will give in next week. How many flip class you want? That much assignment you are going to web for me? Yes, I will do that. Putting 20, 20, 20 in all the quizzes assignments. Priscilla, I am asking you personally, please, requesting also Priscilla. Priscilla, please.
Yes, sir.
You will be giving a flip class, beta?
Yes, sir.
Fine, good. So next week, all you give the 3, 4, 5, 6 flip class. And what I propose, so that each partner in one flip class. So two students will be benefited by that. Okay. Prasant Kumar, Pratik, Priti Khetan, Priscilla, Avijit Pegzi, Monica. Monica is here. Monica is not there today. Monica, I have seen, I think M name came here in the beginning. Monica. No, Monica is not there today. 404. Nagmohan. Nagmohan is not there today. Nagmohan, not there today. Now finally, Ramya Vani Vidya. Or so final call 69 80 069 080 096 098 103 108 118 404. You are not there. So that giving relaxation, I want to conclude. You want to see the question first once. If you have not answered, see the question once again to write something about the answer I have told. Wrong or right, but respond in the chat box that is recorded. These are the question 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is your last 3 digit of the USN? Divide by 4 and remainder is your question number. Just for the smooth distribution of the question among all. And it is not like that the first question I have kept easy. All the 4 questions are of equal weightage. If you are listening, then I will say now, assignment 2, only the Vishnuvardhan Reddy, K. Subbi Reddy, Khagendra, 3 students now. P. Niranjan Reddy, these only. Pradeep Kumar already that given one flip class, so full marks to him. So these 3 or 4 only, assignment 2 not submitted. Vishnuvardhan, Khagendra. Khagendra, are you listening me? Niranjan, only 3 students. P. Niranjan Reddy, Khagendra, and Vishnuvardhan. Now, quiz 2 I have prepared, I have conducted or not, I do not know. Quiz 2 I have prepared, but I will be conducting in the next class because unit 2 I have already completed. So quiz 1 also, few students submitted late, but Hardik, Harsdut, Vishnuvardhan, Kritika not submitted quiz 2, Ajan, Nikhil Kumar Mishra, Niranjan Reddy, Padmaja. Padmaja, you have not submitted quiz 1. Pratik Mukesh Bharuka, one flip class is waived, but this quiz 1 is due. Avijit PG, Ramya, and Vani. This much quiz 1 not submitted. And if you are submitting late, again the 3, 4.
Sir, I submitted, sir. Sorry, sir. I
tell
submitted the
me
quiz
your
one.
name. Tell me your name.
Ramya, sir.
Ramya, very nice submitted, no? So awarding.
But I submitted, but it's showing not submitted from my end.
Okay, for that late submission, only 14 marks awarded.
Okay, sir.
You are happy with
I submitted, sir, but
Okay, assignment I have not told. I have told about the quiz 1. On that day I have reminded maybe. So Jayant Kumar has given everything. Okay, fine. So I have told. Now I am coming back whether your entry is there or not. And officially by the HOD instruction that all have submitted their feedback, or something is due, or it is already one round happened. Why to ask now? It is already held. Okay, thank you very much. Do well, my blessings. Stopping the sharing, stopping the recording.